Neurosurgeon.
Okay.
The perfect person for this.
Yeah.
He came and examined and said to my wife, brace yourself. Your husband is a vegetable now. The stroke has taken most of his memory, most of his functions and all that.
And this is how many months back?
3 years back.
3 years back. Okay.
And he said, you'll have to start earning for him. He'll be no more useful, all that stuff. She said, fine, she resigned herself, all right, over. Then I call him. He comes home running, gives me Nutrilites. Third day, I'm up and running. Third day. Third day, I'm up and running, I'm back to normal once again. Only because of Nutrilites. Omega 3.
And what does your brother-in-law have to say about this?
That's all. He doesn't have an explanation.
Yeah, he still doesn't believe.
He doesn't believe. He doesn't. Yeah, I believe there are so many success stories we tell them. Mainstream medical doctors, hard fast medical doctors, at least this person said, you recovered, I'm very happy. Because I have another brother-in-law who is an MD and who is the head of the department of general medicine in Karnool Medical College. He doesn't believe in Amway, or even any, forget about Amway, any supplements. He thinks they are a waste of your money.
Absolutely, yeah. I know. I experience this every day. So the question is,
Thank you.
there's a book or some magazine I read. The third biggest reason for deaths in America are doctors.
Oh yes. I have enough
Proof to believe that.
He has read those books also.
The third largest and biggest reason. Somewhere I read it.
what your doctor doesn't know
Ah.
is killing you.
That's by prescription.
Maybe killing you.
Strand.
Dr. Ray Strand.
Race track.
We share.
So now 3 years back this happened. After that, you never experienced
Third
this.
day, I'm telling you, I'm just
नहीं, 3 साल में ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. You're absolutely healthy and
After that, I am under the care and supervision of Sanjay. So,
super specialist.
oh, you bet. He's a life giver.
No, now, don't you think you should help humanity with the knowledge that you have now?
I have very little knowledge. Compared to Sanjay, I whatever I have, I'm a second thing. I read a lot, especially in nutrition, but I don't retain a lot.
No, that's okay. My thing is that you don't have to be a Sanjay Gotikar. You just have to spread the message
I spread the message.
as much as you can.
I spread
And people will call you stupid. They say this girl is gone bonkers.
I'm bringing one more industrialist to him tomorrow.
People are going to make fun of you. But people made fun of Mahatma Gandhi also. People made fun of the people who wanted to lift an aircraft against gravity.
Correct.
And I'm sure people even made fun of the people who produce a steam engine.
Yes.
So people make fun of us every day.
Yeah.
But we haven't given up. 18 years in the game. We want your testimony. You know, the problem with us is
Whenever there is a gathering, whenever he wants me, I'm there.
I would like to take you in front of all the doctor community.
Oh yes, you bet. I'm ready.
And that is where we have to win.
I'm
Eventually we have to make a dent in with them.
ready. I have my medical reports.
Yes, they have to accept it. Cancer specialists don't want to believe. This is the problem in India. When they say to their patients that if you're going to have these things, they don't come to me. The patient is in dilemma. He doesn't know what to do now.
Yeah, he's already.
But you know the problem with us is that I'm last 12 years on Nutrilight, but I never had a problem. So I don't have an example to give.
So I'll tell you the reason why. I'll tell you, I'm very clear about this. When you have challenges, when your body is almost deficient, completely deficient on something, when these symptoms get pronounced, then Nutrilites effects are immediately known. Like my case. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I am with Amway. In fact, I joined Amway about 12 years ago. Left. I said, who the hell is going to take a suitcase full of things? And I was a very successful industrialist.
Okay.
Very well doing.
Yeah.
So, who the hell? And I didn't need a home-based income at that time. So, I did not really, I didn't look down upon Amway.
It's not on your scheme.
It was not in my scheme of things, exactly. Then I got into Amway almost about 7 years ago. Again, didn't do much. Later, I joined under him. Did something, but I'm still not actively involved. I'm a little ashamed to tell you that, but then I have other priorities which But with him now, I wanted to do something a direct selling. I mean, I don't want to get into. I'll tell you about my plans later. That I will tell you. But definitely, I'm a good ambassador to the family.
Very nice.
No question about that.
Now you must continue all this, and your family should start having.
Yeah.
You have children also.
I
Talk
have
to them
children,
about.
yeah.
Talk to them about the story. Tell them don't.
That's
talk
the
about
irony of it. My
English.
son doesn't believe in Amway. My son thinks that I'm wasting money Amway. I'll tell you the reason again. I'll tell you, my son is not an exception. If you're doing well, health wise, when you take supplements, let's say protein powder. I'm telling you what I have taken at least. I've taken protein powder. I've taken omega 3, and I've taken natural B, vitamin C, and your foundation products.
Fiber.
Fiber. Okay.
Calmac.
Calmac is the other one which is one of them. So these three, that's what I'm trying to tell you. My memory today doesn't support me. Immediately doesn't. Recall ability has gone. It'll strike to me after I speak to you. Array, I should have mentioned this and all that. Anyway, I'm slowly back to normal. So I've taken only the foundation part. He didn't give me any esoteric things. Only thing is, he gave me omega 3 said you take 4 or 5 per day. I took 4 or 5 per day. As I said, third day, protein powder is a wonderful product. My wife invented today. We try other protein
You're
powder.
very swearing by Nutralite.
My wife tells me, you do whatever experimentation you want. Get me only Nutralite protein powder. She has seen the difference in Nutralite protein powder. She has seen. The skin tone changes in 3 days.
ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स for us. इनका ये वीडियो बना के सबमिट करो। नहीं तो सर आप अपने बेटे का कुछ बता रहे थे। You just sit there and you.
As I suggested to him,
हाँ.
Nutralite business
Business.
and Nutralite also. Number one, he is healthy, fortunately. By God's grace,
That's good.
he doesn't have challenges. Number one. Number two, he has very good habits. His food habits are far better than mine. He eats raw. He eats vegetarian diet. We were Brahmins, so he eats vegetarian diet, and he eats very good natural food. So his health is, and he walks 8 kilometers a day. He walks 8 kilometers. There are sometimes where he used to walk from here to Sainikpuri and come back. That's about 8 to 10 kilometers from here and come back. He's in his 30s, early 30s.
He's married.
He's married. He's married. So he keeps good health. So then I tell him, he doesn't believe that India is going to change much of. He doesn't want to come into this network marketing.
No, he can be a user. See,
He doesn't want to be.
it's a very simple thing that we said. However expensive your car must be, Mercedes, Benz, BMW, it has to still go for servicing. You don't have to wait for the engine to collapse or close down. They're only saying.
That's
So
what
this is like a body, like a vehicle which God has given us. With 70, 80 years of our life, we're going to move around all the world. इसको maintain करने के लिए it's like servicing your body. And omega 3 and protein powder, PDO, protein
Daily.
multivitamin daily and omega, ये तीन चीजें खाना ही चाहिए. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना ये बीमार लोग के लिए नहीं है, ये बीमार न होने के लिए है.
बिल्कुल.
वो तो आपको झटका लगा इसलिए आपने उसको एक्सेप्ट किया.
I was like him.
Otherwise, you would have been like him.
I would have been
Very
like him.
difficult to make a dent.
Exactly. And this is exactly the reason why we also struggle to convince people.
Yes. And this is challenge we are having all over the world.
This mental block, I'm doing fine. Why do I need any supplements? Okay. And you can't do, of course, fortunately, again, Sanjay has a very good mechanism. Once in a 6 months or once in a year, a doctor from Pune comes with and tells you your whole body checkup.
Scan.
Whole body
Yes,
scan. For about 3,000 to 4,000 rupees, you get to know what is wrong with your body.
Right.
Only